Are you looking for the best car paint scratch remover? Car paint scratch removers are a popular DIY solution for minor blemishes, swirls, and light scratches that can mar a vehicle's appearance without the cost of professional repainting. The best products blend effective abrasives or polishing chemistry with paint-safe formulations, good workability, and residue-free wipe-off. In this review, I tested 5 widely available options across a price spectrum from budget to premium.
Product number 1, Meguiar's Quick Scratch. Overview: Meguiar's Quick Scratch Eraser Kit combines a drill-mounted scratch eraser pad with ScratchX micro-abrasive compound and a microfiber towel. The kit is designed to leverage drill power for rapid blemish removal, focusing on light scratches, scuffs, and paint transfers on clear-coated finishes. It is clearly positioned as an easy surface-level repair that can restore appearance quickly without professional tools. Prospective buyers should value the drill activation for speed and the all-in-one nature of the kit. Cons include the potential for over-agitation if used improperly, and the fact that it targets lighter defects rather than deep scratches. Performance-wise, the drill-activated system excels on light defects, delivering noticeable improvement with minimal elbow grease. The ScratchX micro-abrasives are engineered to minimize hazing when used with the included drill pad, and the kit's safety on clear coats is a strong point. For use cases, this works well on small blemishes accumulated from everyday wear, paint transfer from car doors, and minor scuffs. The requirement to run a drill at variable speeds means user familiarity with tools matters. Beginners should practice on inconspicuous areas first and monitor pad wear to avoid heat buildup that could cause clear coat clouding. Overall, this is a strong first choice for DIYers who already own a drill and want quick, controlled results.
Product number 2, Carfident Scratch Repair. Overview: Carfident's kit emphasizes a dedicated polishing compound with a buffer pad intended to erase swirls and light scratches while restoring gloss. It's marketed as a comprehensive paint repair solution capable of removing water spots and oxidation and compatible with multiple paint systems. Prospective buyers should appreciate its single kit convenience and focus on restoring brilliance with emphasis on consistent results across paint types. Cons may include the need for a buffer pad and a potential learning curve for achieving the best finish on very textured or heavily swirled surfaces. Performance-wise, Carfident's formula targets light to moderate defects and aims to deliver a high-gloss finish with clear coat safe behavior. The kit's advanced solution claims to be safe for all paint types and can improve overall clarity when used with proper technique and even pressure. Use cases include cosmetic improvements for daily drivers, pre-sale touch-ups, and restoration of faded finishes. The overall user experience benefits from straightforward instructions and a buffer pad that helps manage compound dispersion, but it may require multiple passes on deeper imperfections and may leave temporary residues that require a follow-up wax for protection. Product number 3, 2025 New Upgraded Car Scratch. Overview: HOCTADA's upgraded car scratch remover emphasizes a one-step repair approach using a nanosponge application with polishing particles and a crystalline protective film finish. It touts non-toxic ingredients and a wax-infused finish to restore shine while forming a protective layer against rust. It targets all car models and paints, including dark finishes, and emphasizes easy, one-step application as a time-saving solution. Prospective buyers will value the non-toxic formula and the visible finish as a selling point. A potential drawback is the lack of explicit fill depth performance data for deeper defects and the possibility of inconsistent results on very soft or soft pearlescent clear coats. Performance-wise, the HOCTADA solution seems ideal for light to moderate blemishes, with the crystal clear protective film promising rust resistance and longevity. Its polymer and carnival wax enhanced formula aims to deliver a quick showroom shine with minimal effort, which is attractive for busy owners. The user experience is straightforward. Squeeze onto a nanosponge, rub in circular motions, and wipe clean. However, the product may underperform on deeper scratches or heavy swirls that require a more aggressive compound or professional intervention. Consumers seeking a simple, low-effort fix for common finish wear will likely be satisfied.
Product number 4, Meguiar's Mirror Glaze M105. Overview. Meguiar's M105 Ultra Cut Compound is a professional-grade cutting compound designed to remove moderate to heavy paint defects, including scratches, oxidation, swirls, and even sanding marks up to 1200 grit. It's a versatile option that can be used by hand with a dual-action polisher or a rotary buffer, and is clearly aimed at more serious detailers or those dealing with tougher defects. Prospective buyers will value the strong defect removal capability and the option for a higher quality finish when paired with proper polishing steps. Cons include a higher skill requirement and the possibility of creating haze or micro-swirling if not properly managed, along with the fact that there is no price listed in the provided data. Performance-wise, M105 is a potent tool for defect removal, capable of eliminating moderate to heavy scratches and oxidation while still allowing for a high-gloss finish when followed by a finer polish. It's clear coat safe, but because it's a cut compound, it requires careful technique and appropriate protection to avoid introducing new scratches. The use cases are broad for enthusiasts and pro detailers, including correcting factory defects or restoring surfaces prior to waxing. The user experience can be rewarding for experienced users who understand pad selection, pressure control, and proper speed settings.
Product number 5, Car Scratch Remover for Vehicles. Overview. Guardiage provides an affordable scratch remover with a simple, beginner-friendly application method using a microfiber towel. It targets a broad range of paint finishes and emphasizes a water-resistant formula for durability after washing. It positions itself as a maintenance tool, suitable for minor scratches and general touch-ups, including compatibility with various paint types. Prospective buyers should appreciate its cost-effectiveness and broad applicability, while potential downsides include limited technical transparency about the compound's abrasive level and the lack of a dedicated finishing step, no separate wax within the kit. Performance-wise, Guardiage emphasizes ease of use and quick results for light to moderate blemishes, with a water-resistant finish designed to endure routine washes. The product aims to be a convenient fix for everyday drivers and DIY enthusiasts, with a focus on being non-abrasive enough to protect clear coats while still offering noticeable improvement. However, on deeper scratches or heavily swirled surfaces, the product may require additional passes or a complementary polish to achieve optimal results. It's a practical, budget-conscious option for regular maintenance.